This video shows you how I did a portrait for a patron who commissioned very specific things in the painting. I'm working on a commission piece. Doesn't show up very well on the camera, but I've actually drawn a sketch on here with a watercolor pencil, and I finished one of the faces so far. There, you can barely see it show up. Anyway, the patron had various photographs, old photographs, about 3 or 4. She wanted this couple in with the son and daughter-in-law. This is and all painted as it was 40 years ago or 50 years ago. And the daughter-in-law is the one who commissioned it. And she wanted to be wearing this shirt, and she wanted her husband to be wearing an Eric Clapton shirt. And of course, she had the shirt, she brought the shirts over, but she had 3 or 4 old photos, and she just expected me to put all this together in a painting. I mean, no live faces and all ratty little photos from years ago. I did a sketch, a black and white sketch of how it would look. This is just done with a watercolor pen. And now I'm working on the painting. What a project. Progress on the portrait painting. I finished her hair, and I did the father. Painted the father's head. Now I'm going to go for the husband, and then the mother. It's an adventure. Well, made more progress. Painted part of the subject's t-shirt and a hand. Finished painting the husband, and finished painting the face of the mother-in-law. So there you go. I still have quite a lot of work to do on that, even though I have all the faces done. But I'm pleased with the way the faces turned out. More progress on my portrait painting. I still have some work to do on the clothing, and I need to do the background, which I think I'll make just a brick wall. But I'm pretty happy with all the faces of the people, with the patron, which is her husband, who has passed away, and his father and his mother. His mother's gone too. The patron said that I must paint her in a t-shirt with the Pretenders on it. A t-shirt that she had from some concert. And he with an Eric Clapton t-shirt. And I still have more work to do there on Eric Clapton and the clothing there. But you can see what it's going to look like. And then both t-shirts were black. And so I convinced the patron that really 2 black t-shirts just wouldn't set off her beautiful black hair. The patron is in her 70s now. This picture was, the painting is of them a long time ago. And then there's also this little painting on the wall there of Stratford-on-Avon, Shakespeare's house. Now, I'm not sure why that's there, but it's of some significance to the patron, as are the t-shirts from the rock concerts. And there you go. I'll take another picture when it's done. I took photographs of parts of the painting. When I look at the photograph of my painting, it seems like I can figure out what else to do, how to change it to make it look better. Maybe it adds distance to my viewpoint. Finished. There they are, the family. I finished the painting last night. Here's the sketch that I'd done for it in the black and white. New acrylic painting that I did as a demonstration for a class. This is a mural I painted in Austin on a traffic signal box. Don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.